Our world consumes more and more energy each year. Just in 2022, that was 180,000 terawatt-hours of energy. It is equivalent of 6 liters of oil used by every human being on our planet each day. This high energy consumption results in serious global problems regarding international security, economic instability, pollution, and climate change. Gas turbines constitute an astonishing 14% of that energy consumption. So you have to realize that a mere 1% of thermodynamic improvement makes a huge impact. Imagine there was a technology that could make a 5% improvement. And what about 10%? Well, there is a technology that could potentially make a 15% of improvement in thermodynamic efficiency.
Combustion has always been the most important process of releasing and transforming energy. Whether we talk about electricity generation, transportation, or space exploration, what engineers strive for is a combustion at high pressure. In combustion engines, we try to compress the air first and only then ignite the fuel. With this approach, we achieve higher combustion efficiency. That is, we get more energy from the same amount of fuel. However, current technologies have reached the end of their capabilities. Increasing pressure costs too much, and on top of that, it promotes toxic nitrogen oxide emissions.
This is why here, in the Łukasiewicz Institute of Aviation, we are working on the process of pressure gain combustion, used in the forthcoming game changer, rotating detonation engines, briefly called RDE. When we think of detonation, we imagine a powerful and dangerous phenomenon, with shockwaves traveling with tremendous speeds, burning and destroying everything on its way. But we are working on harnessing this extraordinary phenomenon.
If we introduce the oxidizer and fuel into the combustion chamber in a proper way, we can obtain self-driven, rotating detonation combustion process.
What are the advantages of rotating detonation engines? 1. Combustion at elevated pressure. 2. Detonation is 1,000 times faster than traditional combustion. 3. Hydrogen, the fuel of the future, is perfectly suited for rotating detonation engines. 4. Hypersonics, the future of flight, is finally possible due to RDE.
We are constantly working to develop this new technology, but there are still some challenges regarding RDE. Measuring, heat transfer, vibrations and noise.
RDE is an early technology. However, we achieved a few significant steps forward in the development of such combustors. When it comes to space exploration, imagine a rocket engine with a rotating detonation wave inside. Sounds like a distant future? Not really. We have launched the first RDE-powered rocket just a few years ago, and for us, this is only the beginning. And in aviation, currently kerosene is the most common fuel used there. However, liquids are pretty inconvenient for detonation. But we put some effort and managed to initiate and sustain stable detonation in the mixture of air and liquid kerosene. And right now, we are pretty advanced in the development of an engine that could thrust an aircraft traveling with twice the speed of sound.